Hey you guys, this is Lorie with TMI Gifts. Today I'm going to do a really large bow. Y'all join me. We're going to use some 4-inch ribbons. We're going to use a couple of 4-inch ribbons. We're going to use some 2.5. We're going to use some 1.5. So we're going to make a really large, luxurious bow. And what we're going to do is we're going to make it for this 25-inch square boxwood that we have. You can do this on the diagonal, or you can actually go square. And so we're just going to leave it on the square, and we're going to make a large bow for this. Doing a couple of little inspired spring ribbons that will carry you into the first of summer. You can find all of these products at tmigifts.com. We just want to mix in some different colors. Okay, this is some new ribbon that we have right now. This is a 4-inch. This is a fuchsia color. We have this in lots of different colors. It is a, I don't want to say it's a paper, but it has a finish on it that is very weatherproof, but it's not, it's got a wire in it, but it's got a good texture to it, okay? And love the colors. The colors are vibrant. They're gonna last and weather outside very well. So if you're doing a mailbox bow, or you're doing something for a wreath, or even under just a small covered porch, this ribbon right here is going to be a great ribbon to use. Okay, so I'm gonna do this bow just a little bit different than my normal bows. Most of the time I'm making a loop bow, but now I'm gonna make a bow today. And I just want some different dimension and lengths of this ribbon. So I'm just doing a couple of different ways here. Get my dovetails. Okay, this is going to be kind of a freehand, freestyle bow. So now I'm using another 4-inch. I want a tail at the end. I'm going to do 2 loops with this one. I'm not going to cut it. I'm going to actually loop it twice before I cut. Different lengths here. And then let's do a tail at the top. We're going to go to the opposite side here. Get that a little bit shorter. Remember, this is what we want, a large bow here. Okay, then we're going to go in with a 2.5-inch. Love this butterfly.
$10 a piece, or is that a set?
Gonna loop.
Is that just that one little bunny?
No, there's actually 3 of them. Well, this is the same one as that one, I think. I don't know.
Do a tail over here. This side.
Need another buggy.
You need some rabbit stuff. We can hook you up.
Alright, then we're going to come in with this 1.5-inch turquoise. Love this. It's a little minky dot, or a little Swiss dot. That's what it's called. Actually, it wouldn't be a minky dot. I think the minky dot is actually the raised.
Is it micro dot?
Micro dot, or it's called a Swiss dot, I believe. And we're going to come in with the yellow, and on this one I'm going to do a little bit different. I want to go to the top of it because I want that extra little yellow at the top here. Loop, gonna loop. One tail at the bottom, and then I'm just going to come back through with on the very top with this pattern that I have right here because I love this pattern. Actually, let's do this pink one. That pink one stands out more, doesn't it? Let's go pink. One loop with the pink. Love this ribbon. It's very, very vibrant. It's very flexible. Very easy to work with. Great ribbon. Got a good wire in it. Let's grab a couple of zip ties here.
let me get the paper. You hold on. If we're gonna go first, you can put the paper.
I want to put a Chanel stem on this to go through, because when you do a bow, if you put a zip tie, you have to go side to side with it instead of up and down. So I'm going to put a Chanel stem really tight. I want to clean all of my ends up. I want dovetails on everything. Love all the different lengths. When I do a bow, I like to get all different lengths on my ribbon. It just gives it a whole lot of dimension. I'm OCD about some things, and some things I'm not. That's one of them I'm not so much about. It's a really large bow. We are going, I think we're going to go to the side. All I'm going to do is just run that through this boxwood. I'm going to take it off where I can turn it upside down and look at it on the other side. Sometimes you just got to maneuver things around. But you always want to get everything proportioned right. Exactly where you want it. Let's hang this up and look at it and see if it's where we want it at. That doesn't scream summer and fun. Look at will.
That's pretty.
And spring, all the things. Just kind of curl. Once you get this on your door, you want to curl that ribbon out or in. And that is our luxurious big bow to go on your boxwood.